Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, juslonda, and yeah, so I told you I had picked this up here quite a while ago, and I just been not doing anything with it, and I just did this whole look with it, and I think Makeup Geek got something with those shadows. Like those shadows blended so nicely. I didn't have a problem with it. Like I really enjoyed it. I mean, this is a quick look, so I really enjoyed it. And yeah, Divas Divas, if you want to see how I got this soft look, go ahead and keep watching and subscribe to us. Go ahead and roll that like. Alright, Divas and Divos. So I've got Juvia's Place color 12 on my eyes. I also did set the base with the Fenty setting powder, and yeah, so I don't have a backdrop today, so I'm gonna work my way from brow on down. If my brow look a bit horrendous, it's because it is. I'm not gonna front to you. It's because it is. It's a tad bit rubbish today because it's one of those days. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this color here and put that underneath my brow. So I don't know when I am going to post this, but I'm just going to talk off the cuff because so also my daughter got a doctor's appointment, so I'm not going to be doing too much of a dramatic look too. I'm going to go ahead with this color here, and this is a BH brush, and I'll just link it up above. So oh my gosh, that's rubbish right there. That looks so awful. Oh well. Um so Shane Dawson. Shane Dawson, right? In the community, talking trash about the community. And what did the community do? Show you who who you were dealing with. So you thought you were gonna come in, make this money, and talk trash, and then leave it at that. So you did this supposed to be documentary on how the beauty community is. If you saw how the beauty community was, you should have known better than to talk trash about the beauty community, because they will come for you. I'm sorry, like they will come for you. And if you are not squeaky clean, and I'm not trying to say you need to be squeaky clean, but if you are not who you say you are, well, they're going to pretty much show you who you who you are. I'm gonna still take this color and just pop that on the outer corners of the eye as well. So now all this stuff has come about with Shane Dawson, Shane, and you got everyone out of the community just like, oh my gosh, I didn't know, Shane was like this. I had heard that Shane was racist and he used to do racist things, but people seem to black those things out because it's a black issue. If it's not a issue that contends with others other than black people. So the pedophilia, just gonna take this darker color here and put that on the outer V as well. So now with him being inappropriate with children and minors, now there's a problem. Well, he had been showed you who he was, just like Jeffree Star has shown you who he was. And this is Zoe of a brush. I'll link that up there as well. But y'all seem to turn your heads when it's someone that, I don't want to say give you joy, but I don't know. Because you always screaming, I like it, but I don't like it. I think it has a lot to do the way I said it, because my daughter's got a doctor's appointment and I gotta go, and I need to do 2 films in one. I will say it's blending quite nice. You know what blends nicely? Tati Beauty. Yeah, I got to play with it. So now you know, you made this money, and it's so funny because y'all let people into the community on the sakes of, you know, who they're with and stuff like that. And don't get me wrong, if Shane really wanted to be part of this beauty community, he could have. He really could have. But let's be real, he's never touched makeup a day in his life. And everyone just seems so shocked and appalled and like, but who was he hanging around with? Let's keep it real. I'm going to take this and put that on top of the lid. This is nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, I have to try to get another cord and play with it. That's beautiful. Oh, and it's just spreading. Oh yeah. Like, it's real easy, real talk. Oh, like this look is just beautiful. Actually, I just want to, because I need this to be okay. Oh yeah, this is an easy breezy look. Give me 1 second, let me come back with my face and we'll continue talking. Alright, I'm just gonna take this Inglot S10S and go into this shade here. So I'm just gonna say this. Again, people, mind who y'all are giving these platforms to. There's no reason why your fave could not be a black person. I mean, it's always that the Caucasians are at the top. And it's so funny, and I don't know if I'm going to lose people on this, but it's so funny that the leading people that are at the top on men. So you mean to tell me that a woman that basically kind of started this community couldn't be at the top? Just saying. I'm going to go in with this deeper color hair. And I'm not going to say just at the top. Couldn't be neck and neck with your faves, right? Oh, this is so cute and dainty. Shane, all I'm going to say is sorry for you. Not sorry. Jeffree, you should be next on the chopping block because you've also been problematic. And it's so funny that Shane has left. Not Shane. Jeffree has not rescued. Oh, oh, I look like a schoolgirl. It's so funny that Jeffree hasn't come to the rescue. But that's your boy. It's so funny that he only comes to the rescue of certain people. If you heard that, I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna put on a lippy and do something to this hair, and we'll come back. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my lips, I have MAC Chestnut, and I have Closest from Proper Beauty. For highlighter, I have on MAC Snow Flush Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Bronzer, it's the Tilbury number 4. For the base of the face is actually a mixture of Pat McGrath and Estee Lauder. For the concealer, it's also Pat McGrath. For the blusher, it's this cute pink limited edition. I think it's a pure, I know I'm going to say this wrong, but it looks like this, and it's from NARS. No lashes today, just mascara from Anastasia, and yeah, so the eyes are cute, aren't they? Look at her. She did that. This is a nice, soft, wearable look for work. We're all going back to work now, and yeah, this is really cute for work, and I love it. I loved how everything blended out. Makeup Geek, you did that, Marlena. I feel like I need some gloss on my lips, but I'm not going to. Yeah, it's cute. Divas and Divos, let me know what you think about. Do you have any of Makeup Geek's older stuff and then the newer stuff? Let me know if you picked anything up. And yeah, Divas, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing. Hold on. Let me know what you think about all this stuff that's coming in. Do you think Jeffree Star is going to say something? I'm wondering. I'm really wondering. So yeah, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.